Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we're bringing you a hands-on onboard recording test of the Skydroid C14. The C14 is a compact high-definition quad-sensor mechanically stabilized gimbal camera. Although the body is relatively small, its feature set is extremely powerful. It adopts a new generation imaging chipset and is equipped with both high-definition distortion-free wide-angle and telephoto lenses. With an effective resolution of 5 megapixels, it supports video recording and photo capture at up to 2880x1620 resolution, delivering impressive image detail and overall clarity. In terms of zoom capability, the C14 supports up to 100 hybrid electronic zoom, including 59 zoom on the wide-angle lens and 41 zoom on the telephoto lens. Even distant targets can be enlarged quickly for observing buildings, vehicles, or other far-range details. During actual recording, the telephoto image remains relatively stable, and with the assistance of the mechanical stabilization system, the footage does not suffer from obvious shaking caused by aircraft vibration. In addition to the visible light cameras, the C14 also integrates a 640,512 thermal imaging camera, capable of clearly identifying different heat sources. The thermal image provides a wide field of view, making it highly practical for night patrol, search and rescue, security inspection, and similar applications. Combined with the built-in laser rangefinder module, the system supports an effective ranging distance of up to 1.2 kilometers, allowing real-time distance measurement of targets. This offers significant value in scenarios such as firefighting, rescue operations, and outdoor inspections. In real onboard recording tests, the overall image performance of the C14 is very stable. Its industrial-grade 3-axis mechanical stabilization system effectively filters out vibration and shaking during flight. Even during fast turns or rapid acceleration and deceleration, the recorded footage remains smooth and stable. In daytime conditions, the colors appear natural and the image details are sharp. At night, the thermal imaging camera can still clearly display target outlines and heat source changes. Overall, the Skydroid C14 not only delivers strong high-definition recording performance, but also combines telephoto imaging, thermal vision, and laser ranging into one integrated system. It offers strong practical value for applications such as firefighting, wildlife protection, security monitoring, and power line inspection. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see more drone equipment reviews, real-world tests, and tutorials, be sure to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.